Home remedies aren't just an alternative, they could be the ultimate solution to your constipation struggles. Ready to make a change? Hey there! If you're dealing with constipation, there are some easy things you can do at home to feel better. First off, make sure to drink more water and eat foods with fiber, like fruits and veggies. If that doesn't do the trick, you can find help at the store with over-the-counter or prescription medications. Did you know that around 20% of people in the United States struggle with constipation? That's a lot. It leads to 8 million visits to the doctor every year. Sometimes, constipation happens because of the foods we eat, our lifestyle choices, the meds we take, or other health issues. And for some folks, the reason behind their ongoing constipation is a bit of a mystery, known as chronic idiopathic constipation. Now, let's talk symptoms. If you're having fewer than 3 bathroom trips per week, dealing with hard or lumpy stools, feeling pain when you go, or sensing like you didn't get everything out, you might be dealing with constipation. And here's the deal, constipation isn't just a minor issue. It can seriously mess with your quality of life and even your physical and mental health. But don't worry, there are plenty of natural ways to get relief right in the comfort of your own home, and these tricks are backed up by science. Hours of research went into uncovering these 13 remedies. Get ready for a content-packed video that's backed by science. Here are 13 easy home remedies to help you say goodbye to constipation. Number 1. Drink more water. If you're feeling a bit stuck in the bathroom department, it might be because you're not drinking enough water. Dehydration can lead to constipation, so make sure to stay hydrated. You can even try some bubbly water or sparkling water to add a little excitement. Studies show that sparkling water could be better at helping with constipation than regular tap water. Just be careful with sugary sodas. They're not great for your health and can make constipation worse. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, sparkling water might not be your best buddy, so maybe stick to still water. Number 2. Eat more fiber. Doctors often say that increasing your fiber intake can be a game changer for constipation. Fiber helps bulk up your poop and makes it easier to pass through your system. There are 2 types of fiber: insoluble, found in wheat bran, veggies, and whole grains, and soluble, found in oat bran, nuts, seeds, beans, lentils, and some fruits. Psyllium, a non-fermentable soluble fiber, is a superstar when it comes to treating constipation. It's even more effective than insoluble wheat bran. Aim for a mix of both types of fiber and try to hit the daily recommended intake of 25 grams for females and 38 grams for males. Psyllium fiber can be found online if you want to give it a try. Number 3. Get moving. Exercise isn't just good for your muscles, it can also help with constipation. Some studies suggest that being too sedentary, sitting around too much, increases the risk of constipation. So, how about a little movement to get things going? Not all studies agree on exercise as a constipation fix, but some say it can reduce symptoms and improve your overall quality of life. Even a gentle stroll, swim, bike ride, or jog might do the trick. Number 4. Sip on coffee. Good news for coffee lovers. That cup of joe might help you out in the bathroom too. Coffee stimulates the muscles in your digestive system, making you feel the urge to go. Studies even found that caffeinated coffee has a stronger effect on your gut than water or decaf coffee. Plus, coffee could contain a bit of soluble fiber that helps keep your gut bacteria in check. But here's a heads up, if you have IBS, caffeine might not be your best friend and could make things worse. Consider giving it a break and see if it makes a difference. Number 5. Take Senna, the herbal helper. If you're looking for a natural way to get things moving down there, consider Senna. It's a herbal laxative that's safe and effective, available without a prescription. Senna has plant compounds that stimulate the nerves in your gut, speeding up those bowel movements. It's usually safe for short-term use in adults, but if your symptoms stick around, it's time to chat with a doctor. Pregnant or breastfeeding? Senna might not be your go-to, and if you have inflammatory bowel disease, it's best to avoid it. Number 6. Probiotics for a happy gut. Ever heard of probiotics? They're like tiny superheroes living in your gut, helping prevent chronic constipation. These little wonders, called bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, are live, beneficial bacteria that naturally hang out in your belly. Boost your superhero levels by munching on probiotic foods. If you're dealing with chronic constipation, it might be because your gut bacteria are out of balance. Eating more probiotic-rich foods can fix that. One study in 2019 found that taking probiotics for just 2 weeks could treat constipation, making you go more often and improving the consistency of your stools. Probiotics might even produce short-chain fatty acids that make it easier for you to pass stools. Fancy that. Not a fan of probiotic-packed foods? No worries. You can also try probiotic supplements available online. So, go ahead, give those yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi a shot or pop a supplement and see if it helps with your constipation. Number 7. Laxatives. The quick fix. Feeling stuck? Laxatives could be your go-to solution. Different types work in various ways, but all are pretty effective for constipation. You can chat with your doctor or pharmacist to find the right one for you. There are a few types. Bulking agents. These fiber-based laxatives add water to your stool, making it bulkier. Stool softeners. These have oils that make your stool softer and help them move through your gut. Stimulant laxatives. They kickstart your gut nerves to increase bowel movements. Osmotic laxatives. They pull water into your digestive system, softening your stool. But here's the deal. Don't make these your daily routine without talking to your doctor first. Number 8. Low Fodmap diet, a gut-friendly plan. If constipation is playing tag with your gut because of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, the low Fodmap diet might be your secret weapon. Fodmap stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. A mouthful, right? This diet involves taking a break from high Fodmap foods and then slowly reintroducing them to see which ones your body can handle. It might be a game changer for IBS-related constipation, but it might not be enough on its own. You might need to keep an eye on other things like water and fiber in your diet to really kick those symptoms to the curb. Number 9. Glucomannan, a fiber friend. Ever heard of glucomannan? It's a soluble fiber from the konjac plant's roots, and it might be your new best friend against constipation. Some studies suggest it's a champ at improving bowel movements and might even act as a prebiotic, balancing the good bacteria in your gut. While one review on glucomannan in kids showed it moderately increased pooping but didn't change overall treatment, another study had different results. You can get glucomannan from supplements or try it in shirataki noodles. Just be sure to check out different brands before making a purchase. Number 10. Prebiotics. Feeding your gut heroes. Here's the scoop on prebiotics. They're like the buffet for the good bacteria in your gut. Unlike regular fibers that make your stool bulkier, prebiotics focus on improving your digestive health. These indigestible carb fibers, like oligosaccharides and inulin, feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, making them stronger. And hey, a happy gut means happier bowels. Some prebiotics might even increase the frequency of your bathroom visits and make your stool softer. Load up on prebiotic foods like chicory, Jerusalem artichokes, garlic. Skip it if you're on a low Fodmap diet, onions, bananas, leeks, and chickpeas to keep your gut in top-notch shape. Constipation? Meet your prebiotic pals. Number 11. Give magnesium citrate a shot. Magnesium citrate is like a secret weapon against constipation that you can easily find at the store or online. It's an over-the-counter supplement that falls into the osmotic laxative category. Taking the right amount of magnesium can help ease constipation, and doctors might even use higher doses to get the bowels ready for surgery or other medical stuff. Grab some magnesium citrate from the store. It's an over-the-counter helper for constipation. Number 12. Prunes to the rescue. Prunes and prune juice often get a shout-out as Mother Nature's fix for constipation, and they've earned that reputation. Prunes not only pack a punch of fiber, but also have sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that acts like a natural laxative. Some studies even say prunes could be more effective than other fiber sources. Aim for around 50 grams, or about 7 medium prunes, twice a day for the best results. Just a heads up, if you have IBS, You might want to skip the prunes, as sugar alcohols can be a bit much for your gut. Prunes are like nature's laxative, thanks to their sorbitol content. They can be a powerful remedy for constipation. Number 13, watch out for dairy. Believe it or not, dairy might be the culprit behind your constipation, especially if you're not buddies with it. For some folks, eating dairy messes with the way their gut moves. This is true for kids intolerant to cow's milk protein and grown-ups dealing with lactose intolerance. If you suspect dairy might be the troublemaker, chat with your doctor. They might suggest taking dairy out of your diet for a bit and trying other calcium-rich foods to see if it helps. Dairy can be a constipation culprit for some. If you think it's causing you trouble, take a break from dairy and see if your symptoms get better. And there you have it, folks. 13 natural warriors against constipation that you can easily find within the comfort of your home. I hope you found these remedies not only informative, but also empowering. If you've battled the discomfort of constipation, remember that relief might be just a lifestyle tweak away. Experiment with these remedies, listen to your body, and find what works best for you. After all, a happy gut leads to a happier you. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more wellness tips and remedies. Feel free to share your experiences or any additional remedies you swear by in the comments below. Let's build a community that supports each other on the journey to digestive well-being. Wishing you all a healthy and comfortable journey ahead. Until next time, take care and stay well.